Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something absolutely irresistible for you. A silky smooth, homemade mango ice cream recipe that you can make without an ice cream maker. If you've ever wanted to create a dessert that tastes like summer in every bite, this is it. This mango ice cream is not only incredibly easy to make, but also uses just a handful of ingredients you probably already have at home. It's creamy, fruity, refreshing, and perfect for impressing family or guests, even if you're not an expert in the kitchen. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, give you tips to get that perfect texture, and share why this recipe is special and worth adding to your dessert collection. So grab a notepad or screenshot the ingredients, because once you try this, you'll want to make it again and again. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need for this homemade mango ice cream. 1.5 cups of double cream. This is what makes the ice cream rich and velvety. 1/2 cup of condensed milk. This adds sweetness and helps with a smooth texture. 1/2 cup of mango pulp. Use fresh, ripe mangoes blended into a puree, or you can use canned mango pulp if fresh mangoes aren't available. That's it. Just 3 main ingredients. No eggs, no complicated steps, and no ice cream maker needed. Now, let's move on to the method. Follow along, and I'll share some pro tips as we go. Step 1. Whip the double cream. Start by pouring your 1.5 cups of double cream into a large mixing bowl. Make sure the cream is cold. This helps it whip up beautifully. Using a hand whisk or an electric mixer, whip the cream on medium speed until it starts to thicken. You'll know it's ready when you see soft peaks forming. Soft peaks mean that when you lift the whisk, the cream holds a shape but gently folds over. This step is important because it's what traps air in the mixture, giving your ice cream that light, creamy texture instead of being dense or icy. Tip: if you're doing this on a warm day, chill your bowl in the freezer for about 10 minutes before starting. It makes a big difference in how quickly and easily your cream whips. Step 2. Add the condensed milk. Next, add in 1/2 cup of condensed milk. This not only sweetens the mixture, but also helps prevent ice crystals from forming, giving you that smooth finish. Fold it in gently with a spatula or keep whisking on low speed until everything is well combined. Tip: don't overwhip at this stage. Overmixing can turn your cream grainy. Keep it smooth and airy. Step 3. Add the mango pulp. Now for the star of the show, 1/2 cup of mango pulp. Make sure your mango pulp is thick and vibrant. If you're using fresh mangoes, pick ripe ones like Alfonso or Gezer for the best flavor. Blend them until smooth, then measure out your 1/2 cup. Pour the mango pulp into your creamy mixture and fold it in gently. You'll see the most beautiful golden color appear as the mango blends with the cream. Taste it here. If you want it sweeter, you can add a little extra condensed milk, but remember, it will taste sweeter after freezing too. Step 4. Freeze the mixture. Once everything is mixed, pour the mixture into a freezer-safe tin or container. Smooth out the top with a spatula and cover it with a lid or cling film to prevent ice crystals on the surface. Pop it into the freezer for 4 to 5 hours or until completely set. For best results, try not to open the freezer too often during this time because temperature fluctuations can affect the texture. Tip: if you like a firmer ice cream, leave it overnight. When you're ready to serve, let it sit at room temperature for a couple of minutes before scooping for that perfect creamy texture. So, why is this mango ice cream recipe so special? First, it's beginner-friendly. You don't need fancy equipment or complicated steps. If you've never made ice cream before, this is the perfect recipe to start with. Second, the mango flavor is vibrant and natural, nothing artificial. Because we're using real mango pulp, every bite bursts with tropical goodness. Third, it's customizable. Want to add a twist? Fold in some chopped pistachios. Add a swirl of mango puree on top before freezing, or even add a few chunks of mango for extra texture. Most importantly, making your own ice cream helps you understand textures temperatures, and techniques. You'll gain confidence in your cooking skills and appreciate desserts made from scratch even more. If you give this mango ice cream a try, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know how it turned out, or if you added your own creative twist. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more recipes like this. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. Go make this mango ice cream. Treat yourself and your loved ones, and I'll see you in the next video with another delicious recipe. Happy cooking!